And look at Jerry Morgano. Best he went in qualifying was a 493.8. How about a 399.4 at 191? First round right there. Essick in the brown sugar machine, your defending world champion. But he can't take Joe Thomas lightly as he's got that Chevy 2 rolling down this VMP 8th mile. And here we go. Side-by-side drag race right here. The win light goes to Tim Essick. How about another one of those 399s, this time with the 7. His best run of the weekend right here in first round of eliminations. But no slouch. Joe Thomas tattooed Essick on the tree. And he goes a 4:16.2, his best ET of the weekend as well. Ron had to feather the throttle. He had the reaction time advantage, but look at Bill Riddle. Let me try to talk here. I'm a little wound up. Setting low ET in first round so far, 397.8. Cadotto and Lutz into the pre-stage bulb they go. Tree fires and we're off. Look at the wheel stand for Chris Cadotto and a win light. 4:01.2 at 190 miles an hour. If that doesn't give you goosebumps, I don't know what will. That thing was on the wheelie bars. Ty Casper 4:10 with a 5 at 184 miles per hour. To the losing 4:36.3 at 187. And Riddle, big red. Ty Casper going to move on. 398.7 for Ty Casper. Great lap for that team. 200 miles per hour. You can hear the boost building in Morgano's machine on the right side. That thing had the wheels up, but was unfortunately fading towards the right-hand retaining wall, so he wisely lifts off the throttle. Coast through at a 4:47 at 128, and he'll face off against Chris Cadotto in the next round of Pro Street. Reaction time advantage goes to Blake Denton by 3 thou, and he is your winner. Big smoke there out of Sean's Mustang as they cross the finish line. We'll go check out the racing surface. But Blake Denton goes a 4:72.9 at 156. Front end hiked up. Ty Casper, 4:01 at 197 miles per hour. He will have lane choice in the final round. Casper has him on reaction time, and a big puff of smoke in Cadotto's machine. Loses fire. Ty Casper, 4:01.9. That thing is printing tickets over there on the right side of the racetrack. And he is your winner here at the 2023 Fuel Tech Shakedown Nationals in the Mincer Motorsports Pro Street category.